Hello children. Today in English we will see lesson 8, A Honeybee Speaks. Children, have you ever listened or seen a honeybee speaking? No, na? In today's lesson we will see it's a monologue. What's a monologue? Monologue is a speech presented by a single character, most often to express their mental thoughts aloud. And today we will listen to the thoughts of a honey bee. Okay? What? Me? A lazy bee? You think I simply have fun all day among the flowers? Oh no! When I am flitting from flower to flower, I am actually very hard at work, and that's why I am called not a lazy bee but a busy bee. Come, I will show you my house and tell you what of work we do. My house is called a honeycomb. It's a big house with thousands of rooms or cells. Each room has 6 equal sides. We take a lot of care to build it. We even produce the material for building the comb. It's called beeswax. You can see in the picture. When I was very young, I used to stay at home, but even I had to do a lot of work. I had to look after the larvae, the babies that would grow into bees. I had to feed them and protect them. If anyone came near a comb to disturb it, I was ready with my weapon, a sting. I am not only a worker, I am also a soldier. Beware, don't trouble me. Well, to go back to the comb, I had to keep the comb cool by fanning it with my wings. Then I had to keep the house in order, put away all the honey and food that other bees brought from the flowers. But luckily, I had hundreds of other bees working with me. We all worked together without ever fighting. That's one reason why we can build such perfect and beautiful house. Yes, I helped with the house building too. We keep making our house bigger and bigger to make room for the babies and for the food and honey we gather. Then to fly out of the comb to gather nectar. I take the nectar and pollen from the flowers and carry them back to the comb. Nectar is the sweet juice in flowers and pollen is the yellow powdery stuff you see on the flowers. I visit hundreds of flowers and make several trips every day without wasting even a single moment. The nectar from the flowers is too thin. We bees turn it into the sweet, thick honey that you like. It's only because you called me a lazy bee that I stopped and explained it to all to you. Otherwise, I have not a moment to lose. Bye. Children, this was all about honeybees story. I hope you all liked it. Thank you.